and mobile enough to make you pay. Here's Curry, and it's good.
For my clients out there na naglalaro ng NBA 2K at hilig itong NBA 2K, I am challenging you po for a 2K show match wherein if you win sa akin in a best of 3 games, I will reward you 500 pesos. Again, this is for my clients na napa-approve ko na before. So it doesn't matter kung kayo po maglalaro, anak nyo po maglalaro, or kahit pamangkin nyo po maglalaro. So it doesn't matter po kung dito sa unit ko or sa unit nyo. Comment or message me lang po dito sa aking post if you are interested. So I hope to see you. Bye!